Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Home Depot, shopping at Home Depot. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. More tool reviews, more Home Depot loves. As we can see, we got the end caps there. Every time you're shopping at Home Depot, look at the end caps. You might encounter some sales. Usually that's maybe on blades or on knives or tape measures and stuff like that. Here we got the Makita. We got some kits there. Got a whole bunch of Makita, and that's I guess the toolbox section, the mechanics toolbox. It's a nice looking wood top there. I like the soft close. Some of these boxes, they have a nice soft close. It's a nice color, matte black. And that's more like a rustic, like a matte color. The Husky toolbox. It's actually not bad. The prices are not too bad. This is $169. Compared to the 5-drawer from the Harbor Freight, might be a little better quality, the one from Harbor Freight, my opinion, especially for those nice colors. And the casters and the metal, it's actually a little thicker than these Huskies, but these Huskies are pretty nice too. So. And then you got some tools there, some sockets, and some sockets organizers at the bottom. As you can see, they got all kinds of socket organizers. Some ratchets, extensions. Husky, all those are for the impact. It's the extension for the impact. Some screwdrivers there. Some little sets, like socket set there. And some storage. Some nice little boxes there with wheels. It's kind of slim, but still nice. You can fit it anywhere pretty much. $74. Little less than the Milwaukee pack out and the DeWalt tough system storage. And some stud finders there. Some cutting pliers. Got some nice Milwaukee, and got the wood handle there. Nice. DeWalt knives. It's a nice wood handle there. It's a nice blade set right there for $11. It's a lot of blades actually for $11. It's a miter cut with the regular saw. Some pliers, Milwaukee. Yeah, Milwaukee has a whole bunch of tools now. So if you're a Milwaukee fan, you pretty much got a lot of tools to choose from. I like the rigid pack outs, or the rigid storage. Bunch of gloves. The pry bars. Channel locks. Some levels there. They got all kinds of channel locks here. I think I got an older pair in the toolbox that I found since a long time ago. Still work pretty good. The only the rubber parts are kind of bad, but the pliers are real good. Good condition. I haven't seen these boxes, these inflatables, contractors, inflatable bags there. I've seen them. You could open up doors with those too. Like if you lock your keys inside, you could pretty much stick that in there and just inflate the door, give you a little gap without breaking it or putting your screwdriver. You got the blade section there. You have Anti-Pro and Diablo. Yeah, it's a lot of selection here. There's a lot of new ones coming out. I still haven't gotten a blade for my table saw, so I gotta look around for that. See if I get any good deals. Some nice miter saws. Some nice DeWalt for $2.19. It's the rigid. Joby, more Joby, Diablo blade, Milwaukee M12. That's their little 12 lineup. You got the Joby. Jobys are great tools for the DIY. Some people are even saying that they're already starting to make their way into the professional field. They're starting to see them in the fields, you know, these tools. So I guess it's getting up there with the big boys. Nice looking gun. Got the Rigids. I like the slim design from the Rigid. Looks kind of slim. And that's a little the impact. Great tools. Got the sale there for $159. The 2-tool combo kit. Here's all the LED lights. There's a tripod light there. For a lot of you that work indoors and you don't have light, or maybe when you start early, there's no light out. It's always good to have in the truck. I was looking at the batteries here. So expensive. Especially Milwaukee, Makita, and DeWalt. If you got an older SRP, older 18 volt, you can buy that kit and put those old batteries in the new batteries. Or the new batteries in the older tools. $89. Seems like the Joby is the most reasonable battery packs here. Still pretty pricey, but a little bit reasonable. $89 for 2 batteries.
Receiving, you have a call holding on 850.
We got the Bosch rotary hammers. Bosch is a great brand. I love their tips. You know, their drill bits and all that stuff. Got a sale there for $99. Another sale. Every time you're shopping for at Home Depot or for tools, look at these sales. Those arrows, green arrows with yellow. Those are usually the discounted prices. It says right there, new lower price. And if you get a red arrow, that means it's about to go on clearance or really low price. Especially, and those yellow tags too, they're lower price. Or on clearance, I would say. It's a stubby. It's actually smaller than the battery, the head part. New lower price. All the bits on the top. That's the thing I like about Home Depot, that you got a lot of selection. Every time you have a brand and you got all these bits on the top. You got, if you got an aisle full of tools, you got the aisle full of bits on the top. And you can choose it as you buy the tool. You can choose your bit on the top. I always recommend buying those kits, you know, that come with multiple bits. But then again, you always have that one that breaks down. You always have, you know, you might pay a little bit more because you're just buying one, but still, if you got the rest of them are fine. And just using that one or got two size bits, you can always buy just a replacement for that at low cost there. More bits. The 2-inch, 1-inch. All kinds of different sizes. You got the Milwaukee brands. Right, Joby, DeWalt. You know, these are the corded drills and the bits for concrete and stuff like that. Reciprocating saw blades. They actually have some on sale. I'm probably gonna grab some of those. That's $14.97. They're actually on sale this week. So, you guys need some saw blades. That's a nice little kit to have. These are on sale too, $14. for a 10 piece. But yeah, those are the ones that are on sale. Got some sanding discs right there. That's what I like about Home Depot. Like I said, you got the tool on the bottom and you got the accessories on the top. That way you don't have to run across the store and find the accessory. You can just buy it, grab it right there and just get going with your day. Be more productive. Like there you got the sanders at the bottom, and then you got the accessories, sanding belts and sand pads up at the top. Same thing with the angle grinders. Some welders, Lincoln. Alright, let's check out the clearance section. Got some bags, some accessories. Got a pack Milwaukee kit there. They even got some chains so people won't steal them or move them anywhere else. 2 batteries, 4 amp hour batteries, rigid, for $99. It's not a bad deal. That's the router and the jigsaw. That's the Joby kit that they got for sale for $159. It's actually the same kit that I have, that I bought. I did do a video a couple weeks back. But that one does not include the free tools, so it's just the kit for $159. It's still a great deal though. Got another tool kit up there for $349, rigid. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.